Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll be looking at generating a Word template for Priority ERP. We'll go to Financials, Accounts Receivable, Customer Invoices, Multi-Shipment Invoices, and Print Invoice Credit Memo. From here, we'll go to Design Report, add our new template name, click Create, OK, and that will then download our Word template. From here, we can open the Word template, click on Developer, XML mapping pane, and we can then see all the sections available to us. We can then go into each section and right-click on the field we want to add, insert content control, and rich text. If it's a logo that we want to add, we can click on the logo, right-click, insert content, and picture. We can then save the template to our preferred location. Remember to save it as a Word template. And we can go back into Priority to upload our new template. Once that's been uploaded, we can go either through our print procedure, or for the purposes of this, we'll go into multi-shipment invoices. Look for an invoice, and we can use our print action. Select our new template, apply, click OK, and there's our new template. If we need to edit the template, we can go back and click on Actions, Print Invoice, Customize. We can then download our template, make the required change. For the purpose of this, we'll remove the postcode, and save the template to our required location. Remember to save it as a Word template. Save. Go back into Priority and upload the new template. Thank you.